Hi everyone, this is Will from the Ice Skating Victoria. Um, I'm here to show a bit of a introductory video on the new Score2 system and how it works. This is to support the upcoming Crystal Challenge, which is in 2 weeks' time. So hopefully the people working on the data entry, the video cutting, replay, and also the judges will have a bit of a glance in this video and learn how to use the new interface. So first of all, some background information. The old ISUJudging system is no longer supported. Moving forward, Swiss Timing had advised that we will have to use this new system called FS Score, Figure Skating Score, or aka Score2. Moving forward in the new season, so for Crystal Challenge in 2 weeks, we will have to use this system. So this is a new system that runs on a web interface. As you can see, this is a web browser with a static IP address with a port number. This is what we call the landing page, similar to the ISU judging system that you can pick the application you use. So for this particular skater, which I've selected for basic novice boys in the FSM, contains the data entry, the replay controller, and also 5 judges plus the referee. So if the FSM has set up more judges boxes will appear here for selection. So first of all, I'll duplicate all the applications because I'm only using one computer here. Just want to show various functions. I'll open a few more instances of this same page. Just a side note, I've connected using the wired network here, so therefore the connection is a bit better. Previously I tried to use wireless, which is a bit unstable. So let's get into the cutter on here. So this is now showing the cutter screen. Looks very familiar. I've got Thomas Tong here because that's the skater I've selected in FSM for basic novice boys. The video is running. The interface looks very similar to what you have now. So on the left hand side you've got the jumps, and the right side got the spin and the sequences. The bottoms are similar buttons. Got the next fall out of the element, fall in the element, and again the next element. So they all should look very familiar. So I'll skim through this very quickly because I need to run a demonstration with all the roles in place. For this one, we'll go into the data replay, the cutter. Loading the video for now. So this is the video. By the way, this is just a loop of a video I put in via the OBS Studio, faking as the live stream. So ignore the laggish of the video. That won't be the case using the real camera. This is just because I'm running some loop back of the videos. So again, this is the card that shows on here. Main shows the skater's name, got a start recording button, and also all the elements here that is about to start. Okay. In here, I'll turn the referee and the judge one on. Again, the screen should look very familiar to you with some live video in the middle. On the left hand side, got the elements up to 16. Got the GOEs -5 to +5 with the deductions button, the help button, the PCS on the bottom, and the send marks. Okay, so whilst we've got that, I would like to take this opportunity to show this new feature that we never had before. This is the control center. This shows you the statuses of who's in running as a client. For this case, we've logged in as color, logged in as expert, and logged in as ref and the judge 1, and we haven't logged in judge 2, 3, 4, and 5, so that's why it's a cross. Some information here talks about the FS Score version. So this is how we check the versions. In the past, we had it in a header in the program, but in this interface, it will be here. Some app configs, IP address, things of the server for the Score2, which is in this IP address, and that port. And this is where the server is reading the live stream from, which is from the same computer from the Score2. Okay. So let me start on FSM. I'll do present scatter, in position, start performance, and you can see the clock has started. So I'll quickly start the recording on the cutter. Seems like there's a bit of a lag here, so maybe for cutter row, when people cause the scatter on the eyes, it's better to click the button. Otherwise, you might miss something in the beginning. So let's assume the competition is started or the performance started. I'll issue various elements. Let's say there's a double axle, it's under rotated, and we go to the next one. Let's say there's a single circle, there's an Euler, and then there's a single toe sequence. Then we go next, and let's say we've got a flying C-spin level 1, got a step sequence level 2, etc. etc. So let's say in the step sequence, there's a 4 in, we'll hit the 4 button and it will be entered into here. And for these elements, let's modify it to have for the single circle is a quarter. The Euler is downgraded, and for the toe is under rotated. So as you can see that we can add the symbols for any one that we've selected, and it will be shown on this new column that we don't have before. So the quarter on the left separated by a vertical bar, the downgrade separated by a vertical bar, then this is the under rotate. And also we can also say that there's a 4 in as well. Note that if I have 2 4 ins, there's an X here, it means there's multiple 4s within this element. So let's assume this is finished. We'll hit stop here, and on the cutter I would stop the recording, quickly add in some elements. Say first element of the recording, second element, third element, got the fourth element. Okay, and then that's not working well there for some reason. Let me start again here. I think I should have cut the video whilst the thing was moving. Here we go. Let's undo all the times. Start. That's the first one. Second one. Third one. And the last element. Okay, so whilst we capture everything, I can stop the recording now, and I'm unable to see it here. Alright, this to be tested, I guess, on the real system. Again, this is on my local PCs at home. May not have the perfect setup. Okay, but anyway, what I'm trying to suggest here is interfaces have changed. This will show the symbols, including the 4s within the element with multiples as well. So when we put in the GOEs, you can check the symbols just by scanning eyes through this column. All the same GOEs are the same as before, not much of a difference. And also the composition, presentation, scanning skills, not that much change, except you need to hit the return button. That maybe the cross. Yep, it's the same. Or just click on the background. And for the help, you can hit the help. Then FSM will show something up. They can clear the help. And they can do the hurry up. They can do the check elements, check components, or even being locked by FSM or unlocked, or when the elements are authorized, it is now on the top. So that's a bit of a change. So previously it was on the bottom, now it's on the top. My playback's not working here. Sorry for that. Seems that my setup here is not absolutely working properly. But I guess that's the gist of what I'm trying to show. There's a bit of an interface change. Mainly they should look and feel the same as before, so it shouldn't be that much of a difference. You should be able to use it if you have run it in the past. Yeah, I guess just get familiar. Maybe we'll have a slow start initially, and then we should cruise along well. All right, thanks for watching the video. See ya. Bye.